You can do 10 push-ups, maybe 20 if you're feeling strong, but whenever you try to hit 100, you fail. You grind every day, yet nothing changes. Your arms start burning, your chest gives up, and your brain screams, "Why am I not improving?" Here's the truth. The problem isn't your effort. The problem is your method. And the day you learn this one secret, you'll never look at push-ups the same way again. This isn't some 100 push-ups for 30 days challenge. That shortcut takes you nowhere. This is the same training principle elite calisthenics athletes use to go from average endurance to monster strength and control. I call it the ladder push-up method. And trust me, when you try it, you'll remember me and say, "Thank you, Remo." But let me warn you first, 99% of people who start this quit within the first few days. Why? Because this method exposes weakness fast. It pushes you out of comfort into that deep zone where your muscles are begging you to stop. But real growth happens there, the kind of growth most people never experience. Look, most people train like this. Every session, 5 sets of 15 push-ups. It looks organized, it feels productive, but you're not building endurance. You're just repeating comfort. And this way, you'll never reach 20 or 100. So what's the secret? Fewer sets, but deeper effort. Take every set to true failure. That point where your arms physically collapse. That's the moment your nervous system adapts and your body starts upgrading. Now listen how this works. Start with the hardest variation you can handle, like decline push-ups. Go to absolute failure. Then immediately switch to normal push-ups. No break. Again to failure. After that, switch to incline push-ups. Same rule, failure. And finally, finish with knee push-ups. Squeeze every rep until you literally can't move. That's one ladder. Do this 2 to 3 times a day, 3 to 4 days per week. And you'll go from 10 push-ups to 50, and maybe within a few months, even 100. This method works because it trains strength, endurance, and recovery in one flow. You're not just doing push-ups, you're teaching your body to fight fatigue and recruit every fiber. That's real progress. Not fancy, just brutal and effective. And if you're tired of guessing what to train next, check my 1-year calisthenics plan. It takes you from beginner to handstands, front levers, and full body control, step by step. Stop repeating the same 15 reps forever. Train smarter, not just harder. Subscribe and start building the body that truly deserves 100 push-ups.